Does your Audi have the Apple CarPlay option, but you don't know how to connect your iPhone to the Apple CarPlay or to switch from Apple CarPlay back to the Audi MMI menu? No problem, just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to connect your iPhone to the Apple CarPlay option and how to switch from Apple CarPlay back to the Audi MMI menu. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. To connect your iPhone to the Audi Apple CarPlay option, you first need to connect your iPhone to the Audi MMI. Start your Audi and go to the Audi MMI menu. Go to Telephone or click on the phone icon on the left side. Click on Connect Mobile Phone. Make sure your smartphone is unlocked and that the Bluetooth option is activated, or that you have connected your iPhone via a USB or USB-C cable. The phone should appear on the list on the MMI screen. If your phone does not appear, refresh the list. Select the phone you would like to connect to. A PIN will be sent to the phone. If it matches the PIN on the MMI screen, select Pair on your phone. A new notification will pop up with a request if you'd like to sync your contacts. Note that Apple CarPlay option will work without syncing. The Audi MMI will now connect to your iPhone. If your iPhone is connected, the Audi MMI will send a new notification if you'd like to connect your iPhone to the Apple CarPlay option. Click on Apple CarPlay. The last notification will pop up with a request if you accept that data will be transferred from your iPhone to your Audi. Please accept this notification, otherwise the Apple CarPlay option will not work. If you have clicked on Yes Agree, the Apple CarPlay option will open itself. You can now use Siri, which you can activate by pressing and holding the voice button on your steering wheel and using some apps that are located on your phone. Would you like to switch back to the Audi MMI menu? Click on the Audi MMI app or click on the home button in the left corner. You will now return to the standard Audi MMI menu. Click on the Apple CarPlay button if you'd like to switch back to Apple CarPlay. Would you like to completely disconnect your smartphone from the Audi MMI? Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Telephone. Continue to connect mobile phone. Choose the phone you would like to disconnect and hold it for a few seconds. Click on Delete. Your smartphone will now be disconnected to the Audi MMI and the Apple CarPlay option. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG car tutorials.